It's wild how many Jeep Compass owners start noticing a drop in performance or this weird rattling noise, and suddenly everyone is talking about the catalytic converter. It's like one day you're cruising, the next your Jeep's whispering, "I'm exhausted, man." Catalytic converters are not some mysterious black box under your car. Their job is to take all the nasty stuff your engine puts out, think carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides, and turn it into something that won't send everyone in Portland running for cover every time you start your engine. When these things go bad, it gets pretty obvious. Maybe your Compass struggles to accelerate, burns more gas than a barbecue in July, and you see the check engine light glaring at you with that digital side eye. That's pain point number one for a ton of drivers. If you ever get a sulfur or rotten egg smell, that's not your lunch leftovers. It's your catalytic converter failing. The inside of this device is coated in precious metals, which cost more than some people's first car, and when they wear out, you'll definitely feel it in your wallet. Let's talk numbers for a second. Replacing a catalytic converter on a Jeep Compass can hit you for $900 to $2,000, depending on labor and if you go for OEM or aftermarket. I know, it's not pocket change, so here's where being proactive actually pays. Pro tip, before you drop $2,000, rule out cheaper problems. Sometimes it's just an oxygen sensor failure or an exhaust leak. Bad sensors send junk data, triggering the same error code as a totally fried converter. Get a real diagnostic at a shop, don't just guess. If you're feeling DIY hero, yes, you can replace it yourself, but only if you've got tools and time. Jack up your Compass safely, soak those bolts in penetrating oil. Trust me, they're rusted on like a Portland winter. Swap it, reset the code, and test drive before you panic. Another thing people rarely talk about: emissions tests. Annual inspections in some states mean your Compass can suddenly fail just due to a lazy catalytic converter. About 1 in 7 vehicles will fail an emissions test each year. That's a lot of angry mornings waiting in line. There's a wild market for stolen catalytic converters, too. Why? Those precious metals inside, I'm talking platinum, palladium, can net a thief hundreds in 5 minutes flat. Park in a safe, lit area or install a skid plate so your Jeep doesn't become a late-night gold mine. Some drivers ask, can I just remove the catalytic converter altogether? Technically, yes, but expect your car to sound like a jet, trigger warning lights, fail every inspection, and rack up EPA fines like library late fees. Not worth it. If you're serious about making your catalytic converter last, you want to keep up on basic maintenance: oil changes, air filters, and fixing leaks fast. It's those small things that keep the converter from clogging or overheating and can buy you 10+ years of normal use. So next time your Jeep Compass is feeling less than inspired, don't ignore the signs. A healthy catalytic converter isn't just good for your ride. It's the difference between a smooth drive and having your wallet scream louder than your engine. Stay ahead, stay curious.